if markets can take this Fitch downgrade of the US debt in their stride or not. 3, 2, 1, off we go, and there's the bell. 60 down at the start. That's what the Nifty is giving. Immediately, let's talk about where the weakness is coming in from. Hero Motor is still suffering the blushes from yesterday, 2% lower again. Hindalco, Tata Steel, some of these metal stocks, global-facing ones, they're weak. L&T, HDFC Bank and TCS. These are your three big boys, which are starting on the negative side today. The buying that we saw in IT last afternoon, that's getting quickly undone. Tech Mahindra is lower, Wipro is lower, LTI, Mindtree, TCS I mentioned. So IT is definitely no pillar of support this morning for the market. Nifty is now down about 80 points. So let's see how that goes. On the upside, fighting for the bulls, well, actually hardly anyone. Supply is the only one, up about 0.5%. Coal India, well, not even able to put on more than 2 rupees. UPL is trying to recover from the losses that we saw in the earlier part of the week. And that's about it. So basically, the headline is there's no firefighter. And it's a single one-way drop right now, 80, 85 points down on the Nifty as we kick things off. Nigel, so yeah, it's 90 points. It's, I think people probably just waiting for things to settle a little bit before deciding what to do. We're still above the 20 DMA, 19,640 for now.
Well, that's right. So, we need to also keep an eye out on Ambuja Cements. The numbers have just flashed for our viewers, and it's looking pretty much in line as we speak. So, I think, we'll just analyze that in just a bit. But the stock is down close to 1% now, but I think those numbers are more or less in line. A few stocks we should be looking at. Tata Chemicals, they've gone ahead and cut prices. Stock is down close to 3.5%. Chola Investments, a bit of a miss in terms of numbers, trading at peak valuations as well, so that's down close to 2.5%. HDFC AMC, well, that's down close to 2% as we speak. On the gaining end, well, what's doing well? India Bulls Housing Finance, well, that's been moving well in the last few days. That's up close to 2%. NCC is up close to around 1.5%. And PVR Inox continues to build on to the gain. So good going on that front. The Nifty, well, we're holding around that 90,650 odd. As we mentioned earlier today, the 20 DMA, well, that'll be a crucial level that we need to track on the Nifty. For the time being, that level's being held out. But on the Nifty Bank, that level's got taken out. The 20 DMA, we're just trading a little bit below that level. Yes, sir.
Just wanted to point out, look at the reaction on Sirma SGS. It's not just the stock, it just tells you the market's mood. When the market bids up stocks so aggressively, the moment there's a slightest hesitation on earnings, and the management came in and explained everything, saying it's a one-off on margins, etc. But for the time being, it's just take money off the table. 5% down on Sirma as well, 70, 80. So trying to stabilize around these levels for the time being.
I mean, valuations, right? 60, 70, 80 times now is a given. Returns are, across the board when you scan stuff, between 70 and 100% gains this year for so many names. These stocks like Sirma, etc. have done very well. Let's just quickly look at Chola as well for a brief bit and see. Remember what